The loss of ice in Antarctica has tripled since the 1990s as seas warm. We have a special climate critical report. Now, every week at this time, we take a look at the climate crisis, bringing you stories with major implications for our planet's future. And this week on Climate Critical, we focus on ice and drastic changes to polar ice caps and glaciers as a result of global warming. Just give you an example. In 2017, a 1 trillion ton iceberg called A68, it broke away from Antarctica. Now, it measured 6,000 square kilometres. That's pretty much the size of Hong Kong or Greater London. And it slowly melted, dumping up to 1.5 billion tons of fresh water every day for 4 years. While icebergs and glaciers can melt during the summer and reform in the winter, the overall rate of ice loss is accelerating rapidly. Scientists say Earth is losing about 1 trillion tons of ice every year. The average rate of ice loss has risen by nearly 60% since the 1990s. It's tripled, though, in Antarctica as warm waters speed up the collapse of glaciers. In that time, global sea levels have risen 3.5 centimetres, but increased warming could trigger sudden, more catastrophic changes. Experts point to the Thwaites Glacier, the size of Britain, which contains enough water to raise sea levels by more than 0.5 metre, and it's at risk of imminent collapse.